to be out on a frog ferry or any sort of boat today, Josh. It's going to be a hot one.
Yeah, definitely going to feel like the middle of summer for us here. And, this comes as we now are well into the autumn season, but definitely going to be feeling maybe more like the middle of July. As the sunshine is already starting to warm us up here across the Pacific Northwest, 75 degrees is where we currently sit with plentiful sunshine and those bright blue conditions. As we are expected to warm up close to 90 degrees later this afternoon as the winds are out of the northwest at about 6 right now. This will likely be the final stretch of heat that we expect to see for this year, as a big weather whiplash change is in store for us as we prepare for cloud coverage to once again increase across our area. But right now, just holding on to those dry, sunny skies with very little in the form of the cloud coverage. That is all thanks to this ridge of high pressure that has managed to build over the western half of the country, helping to grab all of that desert southwest heat and bring it right up into western Oregon and southwest Washington. But as we push ourselves into the middle of the week, that's where a bit of a trough is going to swing its way through much of our area, helping to drop our temperatures by over 20 degrees in many cases, and also bring back the chance for some beneficial rain as we've been on a bit of a dry stretch. But then we really start to see the jet stream stabilize overhead as we see the return of the mild temperatures, which puts us back in the low to mid 70s as we work our way through the rest of this week. But you'll notice from today, an expected high of 91, expected to only for some of us get up to 70 degrees, many of us even struggling to get that warm. That brings our 24-hour temperature difference down by about 21 degrees. So a bit of a shock to the system as tonight we prepare for the increasing clouds as early as about 5-6 o'clock, seeing it become more widespread. That's in preparation of our next cold front to swing through our area. Maybe a raindrop or two potential for parts of the northern Willamette Valley for the start of the day tomorrow. Then we really don't see the brunt of the front move its way through the I-5 corridor until about 11 o'clock to noon tomorrow. Those yellows and oranges, a good indication of the heaviest of the downpours with that nice onshore flow, a southwesterly wind helping to usher in that moisture. By about 10 o'clock tomorrow, that's when we start to see those clouds break apart. We're left with cooler temperatures and seeing drying conditions across our area with a mix of sun and clouds likely as we move our way into Thursday. So for your morning commute tomorrow, likely going to pick up on just a stray raindrop or two. More intense rain is anticipated by the time you start to head home, as our rain gauges are going to fill up close to about a ½ inch for us here along the coastal spots. The Willamette Valley only picking up a couple of 1/100ths of an inch to maybe a 1/10 of an inch at best, but a welcome sight. This is technically all part of our first atmospheric river of the autumn season. You'll see that the brunt of it really impacting our friends to the north in British Columbia. By the time we get into Washington, it's really on the minor, if not even the weak side. And that's exactly what we're going to be seeing here in the Portland, Vancouver metro area. So yes, technically it's an atmospheric river, but we're really only kind of seeing the outskirts of this system, as we are expected to get up to 91 degrees today with plenty of sunshine to go around tonight, expecting to see those increasing clouds and temperatures falling back into the low to mid 60s. Our 7-day forecast does show that wet weather impacts our temperature again by 20 degrees, falling only to the upper 60s, low 70s for tomorrow. We get back up to the average conditions of those mid 70s as we work our way into the weekend. Maybe a raindrop or two Friday into Saturday as those dry, sunny conditions once again return, and the mid to upper 70s possible by the start of next week.
Okay, we need that rain tomorrow,
we do.
So that is good. Probably need more of it than what's in the forecast.
I know, but at least it's going to start to feel like fall again.
It will. Yeah, we love fall. Okay, we'll be right back. Stick around.